right, it's time for a Wiki War. This is going to be on light data, which is everything that you have been learning about in Level 4. This is a Wiki War because it is going to take place on the Wiki. It is going to be a separate page that you and your partner have on the Wiki, and that is what the competition is all about, is setting up that Wiki page so that it has all the fun bells and whistles, and it convinces the judges that your Wiki page is absolutely the best compared to everybody else's. So the overview, you are creating an informational Wiki page. Your goal is obviously to inform, to have accurate information all from this session, and your goal is to wow the judges, because those that wow the judges are going to be winning this Wiki War. You will need a partner for this activity. There is a discussion board down here at the bottom where you can use the space to find a partner. I personally would recommend that you find a partner who is at the same place in the course as you are. So what that means is maybe you're done with everything else in Level 4 except for the Wiki War. You're ready to get started on this. Don't choose somebody who is still working in Level 1. Make sure that that person is ready to go and ready to work on this, and will work on it as hard as you are going to work on it, because your grade on this is dependent upon what you and your partner do for this assignment. So please do be picky about who you are choosing for your partner. And yes, you must have a partner. Once you have a partner, you are going to be clicking on this link and heading on over to our Wiki. There is a whole page set up here to house all of our Wiki War pages. So what you will do is make sure that you are logged in. How do you know that you're logged in? Well, simple. You look up here to the top right and make sure your editing tools are there and that your email address is up on the top, and it must be your Jeffco Schools email address. If you are a BOCES student or a Vail Snowboard student or any other student other than Jeffco, this must be your school email address up here. Don't use personal email addresses when you're doing schoolwork. What you will do is create a new page using this button right here. I'm going to call this a tester page, but yours will have the names of the people that are working on this. So I should probably title this a little bit better. I'm going to call it Partner 1 and Partner 2. Make sure that you are staying safe online. So first names and last initials are preferred. Last names, especially if you're under 18, are not good to put out in public. Now, what kind of template do we want to use? Almost all of you are going to use a web page here, and the location is going to be important. You'll want to make sure you put this underneath the Light Data Wiki War page. Click Create, and your page will pop up, and you are welcome to start editing it. Remember that there are all kinds of tools up here that you can use to change the layout of your page. You can add tables, you can do formatting, and you can insert all kinds of goodies and gadgets through here to make your page really stand out and wow the judges. Don't forget to hit save often, so that way your work is exactly where you expected it to be. Once on the Wiki War main page, you'll see that the page I just created popped up here as a link as a subpage, and that's exactly what you want it. If your page is not popping up here, that means you did not put it in the right place. So you'll need to move it so it gets into this Wiki Wars section here. Now back on the Schoology page, once you have, actually I want to be right here, once you have set up your page, pay attention to the tips and tricks section about what judges like, what judges don't like, and some ideas of what other students have done in the past. Pay attention to the rubric here. Really important that you have all of these components on your page. These are the objectives of the session in Level 4, and we're going to be checking to make sure that you have adequately shown us that you know all of this stuff that's on here. On the rubric, you'll obviously want to score advanced or satisfactory. Unsatisfactory is a no-no. Don't be in that category if you want full points on this. Lastly, once you are done with your page, each partner will need to submit the link to their page to this Dropbox. And please do make it an active link. Instructions are right here if you need a review on how to do that. If you have any questions about this assignment, there is a comments section right here. Feel free to ask and answer questions. Not only will you get your questions answered, you'll be able to earn points as well on your engagement grade by answering other people's questions. So it's a win-win for all.